Hello everyone and welcome to Day Trader S&P 500. Today is Tuesday, December 10th, 2024. This is Dale Woodson, editor of Woodson Wave Report and this YouTube channel. I want to get into something a little different right off the bat. So we haven't looked at it in a while. We're looking at Nvidia and we're looking at a daily chart. And this is from the last time we analyzed it. And you can see we have a wave 4 down here after the wave 3 up, which was a perfect 2.618 multiple. And then we got wave 105 up here in June. Okay, and then wave 205 down here in August. And there's our target for 3. It still stands. 3 equals 1 at 155.85. The high so far is 152.89 back on the 21st of November. And we should have our 1618 up here. Yeah, it's up here at 196.11. That's the 1.618 multiple. So just wanted to touch base with Nvidia. It's been a while. We'll see if that can crack the 1.0 multiple and if it goes any higher from there. Okay, I wanted to show you guys the auto trades. I'll show you from the most recent report if I can. Okay, then we'll get into the most recent report. There's been a lot of attention or requests for the regular ES instead of the micro E-minis, because the ES, well, it costs more, it pays more, it's $50 a point, where the micros are $5 a point. So we just started that recently. But I want to show you guys here what happened yesterday, because you know we had the Fibonacci turn date on Friday, or on Saturday, and the market topped on Friday. So we were looking for Monday to be a down day. This is results. These are daily results that Stryker publishes every day for all of the systems they follow. And we're not even quite into the 3 months yet, so we don't qualify for the top 10. But I wanted to show you guys here on the triggers and targets what we did on Monday, yesterday. We were short, you know, on the regular E-minis and the micros. You know, made 1,300 on E-minis, did 1/10 of that on the micros, and then a second trade on the micros. Okay, but what I want to show you guys is look at all these longs in here. Long. Every one I watched or saw was long going into Monday. I don't know how many people use the Fibonacci time spiral like we do, but we were short, and while they lost money, we made money. So anyway, the beauty of the Fibonacci time spiral, which I started in the late 90s, okay? But if you go to our homepage and you go to auto trade, triggers and targets, that's the system, the auto trade. Okay, so let's just go to the report we put out yesterday. That should be the 1209. Yeah, market close. Okay, there you can see the auto trade systems and all that stuff there. Here's our Fibonacci time spiral, which showed that Saturday 12/7 turn date. So we looked for the high on Friday. So far, so good. Okay, and then that's when we were expecting it to be taken out, as it was. And we're looking at the smallest degrees of trend for a change in trend. And we haven't seen one yet, but we're still looking. And this was yesterday. We had a 1 down in parentheses, a 2 up, and then a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for wave 3 right there. And that was right near a direct hit within less than a point of our target. Okay, if you guys haven't seen this in a while, to confirm a change in trend, we're looking for 5 signals. Number 1 is 5 waves down. Number 2 is 3 waves up to a lower high. I'm sorry, that was number 2. Number 3 is 5 waves down to a lower low. Number 4 is a move up in wave 4, which stays below the wave 1 low. And then after that, we need to see a 5th wave to lower lows lower than wave 3. Okay, unless and until these steps are achieved, the larger degree trend remains up. And you can see our most recent trigger there put us right into that high on the turn date. So, and then again, we've been publishing this for a while, but we've been long term for 14 months, and then we had the August 5th low we're long against. So right now we're currently on a short-term long against that November 4th low. Okay, we may change that, okay, but we'll have to look at the price action from there. Okay, let's get to the post-market close from today, which would have been the 10th, which it is. Okay, we just put this out not too long ago. You can see again there's our auto trade systems, and we showed you guys what we're doing with that. We're off to a good start. Okay, we had 2 direct hits today and 1 yesterday. You can see here's that same 10-minute chart. That doesn't count the direct hit on the Fibonacci turn date. So far so good, okay, but then we had this wave down here. We came within less than a point of a direct hit for that wave 3 with the parentheses around it. We had our 382 wave 4 target, came within a half a point of that is in terms of price, and then we had a wave 5 down to complete the larger degree wave 1, and that came within 1.75 points of a direct hit. So this 1 in parentheses, 2 in parentheses, 3 in parentheses down, 4 in parentheses up, 5 in parentheses down equals a larger degree wave 1 with a circle around it. Here's our wave 2 targets. Right away, we always tell ourselves whenever we make a trade or if we make a chart, the first question we ask ourselves is, where is it wrong? Wave 2 with a circle cannot go above the start of wave 1, which is this 61.11 high. Any move above 61.11, and this is wrong. Obviously, it's bullish. But here's our Fibonacci retracement targets. As you can see, 2s tend to be sharp and more, if you will. 618, I've seen some 786s, but 50 to 618 is pretty typical. As you can see, 4s are more long and sideways and hit right on the 382. So we'll see how this plays out. Excuse me. But we're looking for that wave 2 high. Okay, and here's our turn dates and sequences. There's all the verbiage on the direct hit. There's the verbiage on the higher high. And there's our, oh, by the way, a move below 60.39 low. That means the correction which has just started is complete, or this is extending even further. It's probably going to be the correction. We'll see where that goes. But we'll have to watch that play out tomorrow or over the next few days. Okay, again, there's those change in trend, and there's those upside, the most recent upside trigger on our triggers and targets, which is a completely different subscription. If you want to use the triggers and targets and place your own entries, exits, and stops, and triggers and targets for you, if you don't want to look at the market all day like I do, then you want to do the auto trades. Okay, that's these where you just open an account with Striker Securities, and you have a contract with them. I give them my trades, they trade my trades in your account. Okay, and you saw what we were doing there. I'll just scoop back over there real quick for the last day. And again, we need to be in here for at least 30 days to get in the top 10. And there we are there with today's trades. Sorry I didn't get all of that, but it's right there. Bear with me. I don't want to start something and not finish it. There we go. Okay. Again, the regular E-minis are going to do more because they're worth $50 a point, and the micros are worth $5 a point. Okay, and I want to show you guys here. That's where the top 10 are. Again, haven't been doing this long enough to get into the top 10 because we haven't had 3 months of doing this yet. It's relatively new. Okay, so that's that there. Let's just check in on, if we can, let me see the chart here on the ES. I think we're going to look at, yeah, there we go. There's that 10-minute again. We'll make that full screen. All right, that's where we are. Looks like that retracement up is happening, and there's our targets there. And the 382 and the 50 is right in the previous fourth wave of 1 lesser degree. So that's a typical landing spot, although these second waves can get ridiculously straight up and down. So wouldn't be surprised to see a 786 just to shake out the shorts before they start wave 3 with a circle down to below the wave 1 low. So they're always playing tricks. Watch for them the next few days. Okay, that's it for this time. Until next time, take care, everyone.